What if addiction isn't a failure of willpower? What if it's the nervous system doing exactly what it was designed to do, trying to regulate pain, stress, or overwhelm? Consider this. Your brain is not broken, and addiction may not be a failure at all. It may be the best option your nervous system has learned to predict for getting through. When the system has repeatedly experienced relief after a particular action, it begins to treat that action as a survival solution. A craving isn't a lack of discipline. It's a full-body prediction that tells you this is what keeps us safe. In our class called the Neuroscience of Addiction and Compulsion, we move beyond shame. We explore how these loops, whether they involve alcohol, status seeking, or harmful relationships, have become automatic. Healing isn't just about logic. It is about gathering enough lived evidence to show your nervous system that safety and relief are possible without repeating the cycle. Join us on Saturday, August 8th at 5:30 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time to learn real-time interruption tools like urge surfing and sensory resets. This class is part of the Ancestral Essence membership zone. For just £19.99 a month, you get 2 transformative classes every month. Following our work on compulsion, join us on Saturday, August 22nd as we dive into the neuroscience of shame. Visit ancestralessence.com. Scroll down to the membership zone tab and start your journey.